Hello guys, so on this one we're just going to deal with the open of the candlestick. Okay, we're going to deal with the opening of the candlestick. Our robot is going to read the opening of our candlestick for us. Okay, so let's go now. What do? We go to our charts and say the current candlestick. What's the open? The open is the second line. You can see as soon as my mouse comes here, something pops up. The open is 1.2732. Okay, so we want to see if our robot will really give us this number 2732. Okay, so remember how we count. Actually, let me not say remember because maybe it's your first time on this video. Okay, so what happens is that the computer counts from 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to learn a lot about that, watch the previous video. It's called the closing of the candlestick. Okay, you will learn a lot, and I hope you watch it. Remember, I'm making these videos for the complete beginners, people who don't even know how to restart their phones. Okay, or maybe people who can't even save the numbers in their phones. I want to make sure that they understand this, not only for making robots, but knowing how to work with these things one day can change your trading life or your trading career, because you will be knowing how to play with the robots and all those things. Okay, back to the business. We are reading the opening of the candlesticks, whether current, previous, and then how our robot counts. It says 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, this number 0 is not 1. It says 0, 1. This is candlestick 1. This is candlestick 0. Computer reads everything from 0. Okay, but you will say 1, 2 when you count. That's why you fail. That's why you get average. It's cool. It's because you don't, when they say count, you don't say 0. Okay. Yeah, I can leave that one. But if computers were counting our fingers, it means that we're gonna have 9 fingers, because how it counts, it says 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, this is candlestick 1, this is candlestick 0. Okay, let's do it. I want to see this open, which is 2732. I want to see if our robot will read the open of that candlestick. So how do we do it? We come to our structure, which is init. If you didn't watch my structure video, go and watch it. I'll put this in the one folder so that you can just one playlist, of course. So on init, this is where you put your function. Okay, I know a lot of you guys exit here, but don't exit. Watch this till the end. You will love this. You have to watch this video until the end, because this skill is important for you. So yeah, you can just do a variable. Actually, no need to do a variable. Let's just say alert here, and then how do we get the open price of the current candlestick? You just say I open. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm correct on this one. Okay, yeah, I open. You can see I made mistakes, but they corrected me. So it's I open, and then you open bracket, and then it will say symbol. You can just say null. Okay. You can just type null, and then it will say current time, whatever, and then it will say shift, and then you say shift. Remember, shift are the candlesticks. I forgot to say this in the previous video, but if you also watch that one, you are lucky, because now I'm correcting myself. These are called shifts. So it says shift, it's 0, it's 0 shift, it's 1 shift, it's okay. So whenever you find a question that asks you if it's a shift, whatever, if you say 0, you are actually talking. I'm sure you are doing this all the time on your, when you put on indicators. This shift 0, shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, shift 4. Okay, shift 1, not shift 2. Shift 0, not shift 1. Okay, so let me drop down. My robot is called the closing of candlestick because of the previous video. I'm lazy to change it. You can change it for me You can change it for me there, wherever you are, it's fine. But I'm lazy and I apologize. Okay, so I'll drop this robot on the chart. I want to make sure that it gives me the opening of the current candlestick, which is shift 0. Let's read. What's the opening? Read here, forget about this. Read here, it's 2732. 2732. Let's see if this agrees. You can see 2732. So our robot is correct. So what if you want to know the opening of this candlestick? This one is 1, shift 1. So remember now our shift is 0. So we can just change this 0 to 1. Then it will give you there. Okay, it's crying. But I will drop it again on the chart just to make sure. Okay, yes, here we are. 2729 is the opening of this candlestick. Okay, let's confirm. Let me put my mouse. 2729 exactly. You can see how accurate the robots are. So your question is, how is this important? Okay, so when you are building a robot, you may need the closing and the opening of the candlesticks. Okay, you may need it. It will help you. Like, you can just say, like, you can, let's say you want to figure out if this candlestick is bigger than this one, or this one is bigger than this one. You can just say opening, which is this, opening is here, if opening minus closing is greater than 10, if opening, or okay, if opening minus closing of candlestick shift 10 or shift 0 is greater than opening and the closing of the candlestick, then I'll make a video about that. But for now, just give me a like, subscribe. You know, when you give me a like, you are making sure that I keep on making these videos. And then when you subscribe, you make me to jump. I dance every time. Can you just imagine, every time when someone subscribes, I just dance. And yeah, now I have a website. Check in the description below. You can buy whatever you want. The robots, everything is there. And I hope you buy. I'll put my numbers there. You can always contact me if you want to contact me. If you want me to create a robot for you, you can also contact me on my email and all those things. But I really charge, guys. I charge a lot. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, man, you are just putting yourself in a very difficult situation. You'll have bad lucks, you know. You'll keep on blowing accounts. So you can just subscribe, man. You won't get heads. Okay, remember we're doing the opening, né? Let me go back there. What if now I want to check the opening of this candlestick? I love this one. It's big, né? And it blows someone's account. It hits the stop loss. Tish, cool, gone. So what candlestick is this one? Which number should I put here? Because now it's 1. Let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's candlestick number 5. But if me and you, if you count, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to me and you, this is candlestick number 6. But according to the computer, this is candlestick number 5. So because this computer are smarter than us, let's just say it's 5. Let's trust them. Let's trust them and see what happens. Let's check the opening. The opening is, let's check again. Oh, mouse. Yeah, the opening is 1.2706. Let's see. When you count is 246, né? It's number 6. But when the computer counts, it's number 5. And that's why I placed 5 here. Okay. So let's see if 5 is the correct one, because if you put this one here, this mouth, it will say, if it's real number 5, we must get 1.2706. Okay, let's see if the computers are correct. Oh, exactly, 2706, which means this is candlestick number 5. It's not candlestick number 6. Even if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the computer starts from 0 1 2 3 4 5. I'm sure even when you place on your indicators, you always see this shift. I'm sure this one will also help you. Let me set an indicator. Yeah, Williams percentage will be correct. They will say period. This period, it means how many candlesticks should this thing count. Okay, if it's 14, you're actually saying you want this indicator to behave from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, which means you only care from here. You want your indicator to give you information from this candlestick to this one. But okay, I don't see a shift there. Okay, so let's put in moving average, because it's obvious. It's obvious they have a shift. Okay, oh, I can see one. Yeah. So on moving average, you can see we have period, all this shift. This one, if you put 6 here, you're actually saying you want your moving average to behave according to the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, this candlestick. But if you want your moving average to give you all information from here, from 12 candlestick, which will start from 0, this is the beginning. Okay, so if I place a 0 here, I'm actually saying, yeah, you indicator, give me information from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, because here is 12. Okay, let me not confuse you. But candlesticks from candlestick 0, which is this one, if it was 6, which means it will have read this until here. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, which means our indicator will count the information from here until to 12 here. From here, it won't consider this. But if you want your indicator to consider this, you must say 0, which is the current candlestick. Yes, in fact, the most logical thing you can do, you can just say 0, which is this, or most of the time some people will say 1, which is the complete candlestick. However, even if you can say 0, it will behave on the closing, not the opening, if you decide here. Okay, if you say opening every time when this open, I made a video about candlesticks. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, visit my website, buy whatever that I'm selling. You just buy because you like me. Okay, just buy, man, and give me a like. Sharp